This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust image transparency in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. I have a little example project here to adjust the transparency of an image. I have an image on my document here. First thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. I have the image selected now. I got the bounding box around it. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the image options. You want to click on image options. That will open up a side pane, and off to the right side here you want to go down to where it says adjustments and you want to expand that section. And then right down here, opacity, that's what you want to adjust. By default, the opacity is probably set to 100% like you see mine is. But if I move this slider, I'm going to move it down to about 48%. If I move it down all the way, the image will disappear. Now it is fully transparent. That is how you adjust the transparency of an image in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.